Good afternoon, student. Welcome back to your online biology class in subject science. Student, as you know, your half yearly examination is coming soon and started at the 23rd of the November. And I have also given the syllabus. Okay, so this is the last chapter number 7. So after this class I will revise only the few videos in which their explanation are given of the important topics which are coming in your half yearly examination. Okay, student, today I will discuss some defined terms which are given in the last exercise of this chapter, and I hope you are all completed the all exercise, means MCQs type, multiple choice question and true false fill blanks in the book with the help of the given in the back side of the book. All answer are given. These types of short question which are very important for the half yearly examination, because I am giving all question from the exercises. I make some new question also, but generally I am giving the question which are given in your exercise. So all of you complete this. Okay. Now open your book and ready with pencil, eraser and sharpener, and mention the tick of the defined term in the book. Okay. Class 7, subject science, biology, topic define the term of chapter 7. Define the term of chapter 7. Okay, student. Now I am also taking the book for the explanation of the question answer. Student, open, define the following term E. Answer. First, weather and its element. Weather and its yearly elements. This is the heading. Okay. So student, open the page number. Wait, student, the okay, page number 95. Page number 95. Okay, the second paragraph, the short time atmospheric condition. The short time to the elements of weather. Elements of weather. Mention it in your book, student. Okay, now answer number 2. Climate and climate chart. Climate and climate chart. Heading. So all of you open the page number 99. Climate chart. Page number 99. Climate chart. Heading. So you will do the annual record from the annual ANNUAL record to period of year. Period of year. Okay. The annual record of the long term average atmospheric and rainfall at a particular place is called climate chart. The climate chart gives an idea about the climate of a particular place during a specific period of the time. So mention it in your book and write down after the completing the online classes. Now I am going to explain the question number 3 of the defined term. Third is adaptation in animal to polar region. Adaptation in animals to polar regions. Singular, polar region. All of you open the page number 104. Page number 104. The general feature developed by animals living in polar region are. So there are 4 points. There are 4 points in red color. Four points in red color. Okay, 4 points in red color. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mention it with the help of pencil in the book. Now I am explaining the fourth, migration of polar birds. Migration of polar birds. Open the page number 105. Adaptation in polar bear. Adaptation in polar birds. Adaptation in polar birds from birds living to migration, field migration. Birds living to migration. Mention it in your book. Adaptation in elephant to the tropical forest. So this is the same answer of the short answer question. Question number 5. Same as question answer number 5 of short answer question. Short answer question. Same as. So don't write, learn only. Okay, now this is the complete exercise. Okay, complete. The next topic of this chapter is the formative and summative. SUMMATIVE. Formative, summative. Okay. So all of you revise once again or tick the mark with the help of pencil in the book. The short term variation which occur in the atmosphere is called the short term. Student, this is the correct answer will be climate, rain, relative humidity and climatic chart and weather. So answer first, that is D. WA, weather. Okay. Answer to The period of long sleep of the polar bear during winter is called deep sleep, no, hibernation, burrowing sleep, camouflaging. So this is called hibernation. Answer number 2, B. Hibernation. Hibernation. Answer number 3. Camouflaging is the phenomena of option A, having dull color skin, B, having skin color merging with the surrounding, having skin color that scars the enemy, and having bright color skin. Student, camouflaging is the having skin color merging with the surrounding. So answer will be B. I am not going to write down the sentence. Okay. Last, fourth. A carnivore with stripes on its body move very fast while catching its prey. It is likely to be found in polar region, B, desert, C, oceans, D, tropical rainforest. So all these are the animal of the tropical rainforest. D. Answer number 5th. Animal living in cold region have legs to run fast. Cold region have fat for additional insulation, long necks, long eyelashes. No, student, fat for additional insulation. B. Tick. Now I am going to start the one word for the following. Write down, student. B. One word. I have write down only answer. So all of you write down this question answer in your fair copy. I will check it. Because you know online classes, they are MCQ type question are asking by your teachers. So it is very necessary to write down the true false, the filling blanks, the MCQ's question answer in your copy. Predicting the weather of a place by studying data collected by weather balloons and photograph of cloud formation. Student, what will be the one word answer? Weather forecast. Weather forecast. Weather forecast. Answer number 2. A device that is used for recording the maximum minimum thermometer at a place is called maximum and minimum temperature at a place is called. So you know the device same, maximum and minimum thermometer. Maximum and minimum thermo, METER. Answer number 3rd. Write down. The long-term average weather condition at any place, which is called climate. Answer number 4th. The short term adaptation which is not inherited is called temporary. Temporary adaptation. RAROE adaptation. Now student write down the match the column. Match the COLUMN. Answer A. Meteorologist monsoon. Write down first C. Answer second. El Nino effect. Red-eyed El Nino effect. First student write down the E, second C, third A, fourth B, answer fifth D. Homework, write down complete exercise of chapter number 7 in Hear and learn it. Write down student. Thank you student. I hope you are all complete this and learn. I will ask some question in your online class revision. Okay student? Thank you. Class over.